The first and most obvious line of defense is fault. The company will blame you for the incident. You caused the collision. Their insured did nothing wrong. Therefore, your claim is denied. If the insured is obviously at fault, such as the situation of a rear-end collision, the company will argue that even so, you contributed to the collision by stopping too suddenly, or perhaps having brake lights that weren't working properly. The company will then argue that you were some percentage comparatively at fault and therefore only entitled to a lesser percentage of your actual damages. If liability is clear and there's no evidence of comparative negligence, the company will attack your damage claim. Common themes are that you really weren't injured or that your medical issues existed before you got hurt in this case. In cases involving back injuries, the companies often claim that you are actually suffering from pre-existing arthritis that has nothing to do with this claim. Some companies attack the type of treatment you are receiving. Chiropractic care is often attacked as being unnecessary or lasting too long. Wage loss is always contested.